Hello and welcome to Purple Trading. This is Giriagos from the Purple Trading office. In the following tutorial, I will go over the necessary steps to receive color change notifications from our Purple Strike indicator direct to your desktop MT4 interface, Android phone and personal email. The Purple Strike indicator has been developed by our own team of experts to detect changes in trend using simple color changes where a blue color change signifies a potential change in price to the upside, and a red color change signifies a potential change in price to the downside. The indicator can be used on any time frame and can be applied to all our tradable assets. The latest version of the Purple Strike indicator includes additional features which allow the trader to receive color change notifications from their chosen asset and trading time frame. This means that you can trade from your own comfort and never miss a potential trading opportunity. The Purple Strike indicator is free to use and can be downloaded directly from our website. Simply choose Trading Conditions, then Indicators for MT4, then scroll down to find the relevant link for the indicator. For the purpose of the video, I've already downloaded the indicator and will be moving over to a live chart to perform the actions necessary to start receiving these notifications. So at the moment, currently looking at a Euro USD chart on a 1 hour time frame. As you can see, I've already uploaded the indicator and simply using the mouse, we're just going to hover over the indicator and then we're going to double click to open the properties. Now, there are some tabs at the top. I recommend we just leave these to the default tabs or default settings that are already in place. The only thing we're going to change is inputs. So we just click on the inputs here and we have some values on the right hand side. And this is the standard recommended settings for the indicator, the way it works essentially. And the period currently is 5. This can be changed to your own preference. The most important thing here is whether you would like to be notified on the actual candle. So basically, you might want to get in at a better price, or this can be changed to when there's a color change on the close of the candle. So you just simply double click here so you can see the options and how you wish to receive them. I like to have this set to the actual candle, and obviously the variables we're going to change from false to true will be the alert notifications, mobile notifications, and the use of email. So what we need to do is set these to true. Very simply. And then we're going to OK this to save the current settings that we have obviously chosen. And then if we go to a smaller time frame, we should start receiving some notifications. So already I've just moved to a smaller time frame just for the purpose of the video to see that this is now working and you're receiving alerts on the Euro USD regarding a color change. Okay, so that's the first step to basically start receiving signals to the desktop. So we know that's working. That's absolutely fine. Just one thing I would say: you will only receive notifications based on the current chart and time frame and asset that you have open or looking at from your MT4. It will not give you an alert on another asset if it's not open on your desktop. So everything is relevant. If you're looking at the Euro USD on a 5-minute chart, you will receive an alert on the Euro USD regarding the 5-minute chart, and so on. So that's great. That seems to be working. So the next thing we're going to look at is how to receive the same notification or a notification to your Android phone. So just going to go back to the website. And from here, we're just going to go to Trader. And scroll down to find the link to basically download the MT4 to your phone or Android. And here we have it here. So we simply click on this link and it will open up this feature. So I've prepared some slides just to go through the process and what we need to do to set this up on the Android phone. So from here, once you've clicked Android MT4, we're just going to go over to the slides. And this feature will come up. So simply, install the MT4 to your phone. Once you've done that, the icon will appear on the phone. And this is the process we need to do to receive the MetaQuotes ID for receiving notifications to the mobile application. And so I'm just going to quickly go back to MT4 and show you what we need to do to receive the notifications to the phone. So we're just going to go to Tools, Options, and Notifications. Okay. And from here, what we need to do is enable push notifications. And what it will do now, it will ask you to enter your MetaQuotes ID. So I'm just going to show you how and where you can get this from. And we're going to go back to the slides. So we've downloaded the MT4 to the phone. And then simply, once you've downloaded this, you just need to open the menu and go to Settings. Okay. And under Settings, you will find your MT4 or MetaQuotes ID number. Okay. And from here, simply copy the number. Okay. So again, the number will appear here. We just copy or make a note of the number. And then we go back to our MT4 platform. And type it in here like I've done. And then simply push on test. Okay, and I've just received a confirmation that this is working now to my phone. I'm okay this and I'm okay this. And then what you could do is go to Journal. And you should receive a notification here that this is now working also for the phone. So now you will be able, you will be receiving notifications on your desktop regarding color changes and also to your Android phone. So that's great, and that seems to be working as well. And now we're going to look at how to set up email notifications regarding color changes from the indicator. And this is done very simply in the following way. Again, what we need to do is go to Tools, Options, and then open the Email tab. Okay. And then we click Enable. And here it will ask you to fill out some of the required fields for us to be able to set this notification up. Now, I recommend before you do this is to open a Gmail account, because Gmail accounts or Gmail email accounts tend to be more receptive to these type of notifications. So for the purpose of trading, just open up a Gmail account and you'll be able to set this up quicker than any other email provider. Okay, so there's some fields that we need to fill out. Now the first one is it's saying here smtpcompany.com. So I already have a Gmail account, and simply what you need to do here is type smtp dot smtp.gmail.com. Here it says name@company.com. So this will be your email address. Very simply. I'm going to leave password out for a moment, and I'll show you what you need to do to generate the password. And it says from and to emails here. So here, simply put any valid email. It will work with any valid email. So I'm going to use the same email. And again, same email. Okay. So I'm just going to OK this. And then I'm just going to go back to my email and show you how to generate the password you need to set up the email notifications from the indicator. Okay, so this is my inbox. Simply gonna open up my account. And from here, I'm going to sign into Google. Okay. I'm going to choose app passwords. And it will ask me again to verify my existing email, which I'm going to be using. So need to type in your password. Excellent, that's working. So now it says select app. And from here, we're going to choose mail, obviously. and then other custom name. And here, simply put MT4. That's fine, and then generate. So it's giving us a password that we're going to need to set up the email notifications. And this is what I was alluding to on the MT4, a 16-digit password. And very simply from here, I also got a message from Google saying that the password was generated successfully. So this is legitimate. I'm going to copy this very simply. And then I'm going to move over to Desktop MT4, Tools, Options, and then I'm just going to paste this password here. Okay. And then simply what you need to do from here is just click on Test. Okay. And you will receive an email confirming that this is set up and working. All right. So I will show you how this works on the slideshow presentation. I'm just going to OK it. So we've filled out all the necessary fields, OK it, and then we're going to go back to the slideshow just to see how all this works. So, and this just details again the instructions and the information required you need to fill out regarding the email. So if you're using a Gmail, it's not necessary to use a port number in the first field. And this is pretty much self-explanatory. So you can refer back to this if you need any clarification on this. Okay, so you'll receive once you've set up your password, you're going to get a confirmation message from Google that this is working. Again, these slides you can use again for reference. Okay. So yeah, but basically, once you receive the confirmation, you can go to your Desktop MT4. Options. Now you can test this feature. And once you've tested it, so anyway, so from here I recommend you test, close this, and then you may have a position on and you want to test the emails working. So go to Journal from the terminal, okay, and you'll get a message on the top here that the Desktop MT4 and Indicator are in fact in sync, and you will start receiving notifications to your email. Okay. So back to the slideshow. So here we go. So you'll get a confirmation email that things are set up and working correctly. Yeah. And further to this, you will start receiving color change notifications from the purple strike indicator. Okay. Like the example below. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this has helped and giving you some ideas on how you can save a little bit of time, use the indicator effectively in your own comfort. For more information, please visit our website to download the indicator. It's absolutely free. And from there, our support team will be happy to assist with any inquiries. Thank you for watching again. Have a great day and good luck with your trading.